Hello students, it is HTML chapter number 4 and in this tutorial we are going to discuss about your body tag and the second one is your attribute and in this body tag we have around 6 attributes. हम ये body tag को आज डिस्कस करेंगे और इसके लगभग 6 एट्रीब्यूट हैं और उनको कवर करेंगे और लास्ट में है हमारा क्विज और सरप्राइज. So without wasting time, let us start. Body tag. Yes. So my dear students, here we have a body tag. This one you all know body tag, and in this body tag we have these all attributes. First attribute is BG color. If you want to change background color of your web page, you can change by using this BG color attribute, and by default you know your background web page has a white background color and you can change it. आपको पता है कि जैसे आपके वेब पेज का जो बैकग्राउंड कलर होता है वो वाइट होता है और आप उसको जैसा चाहें उसको चेंज कर सकते हैं. सो लेट अस वी ट्राई इट. सो आई हैव ओपन वन नोटपैड एंड सी हियर हमने यहाँ पर सिंपल बॉडी टैग ले रखा है. ये बॉडी टैग ओपन है, इनिशियल है, ये बॉडी टैग एंड टैग बॉडी टैग है. एंड यू नो आपका ये जो बॉडी टैग है इट इज़ अ कंटेनर टैग. And let us we see what is the output of this page. Another thing you already know, this is a heading tag and a heading tag has a 6 headings. So see what is the output of this page. I minimize it and it is your index.html. I have already told you and that the very first page of your website is index.html and when you open any website, the first page that opens on your monitor, that is called home page, right? So I double click over it. Now see here, your background color is white. आपने देखा जैसे कि आपके इस वेब पेज का बैकग्राउंड कलर वाइट है. So now we change it. I'm minimizing it. Notepad BG color BGCOLOR equal to double quote and here I writing red RED. Now control S, I have saved it and now see your web browser and I am going to refresh it. See here your web page background color has been changed. देखिए total इसका background color red हो. Okay, so you have understood. If you want to change the background color of your web page, you can use this BG color attribute. Here we have written plain red color and sometime you want to use some shades. Okay, for shade we have another option. See here, like here, these are called hexadecimal codes and it's a combination of 4 digits code, and 4 digit means these are 4 primary colors and you know all the secondary colors are combination of your primary colors. See here, like I take aqua is 00 and 4 times 5. Let us we set in our BG color. I'm gonna open your notepad and BG is ready. Yeah, it was 0 and 4 times F. 1 2 3 4. Control as I have saved you this notepad and yeah, Google Chrome, refresh it. See here, it is your aqua color. This way you can change the shade of your web page, right? So now I think you have understood how you can change background color of your web page. See here, we have used hexadecimal codes here, right? So see next in your there you all have understood how we can use BG attribute, right? And sometime we want to change text color of your website, and by default your website has a black color, and we can change text color as you want. Just I'm gonna minimize this, and now first of all I want to show you your text color. See here, it is in black color. Now we are going to change into another color as you like. So minimize it, open your notepad. Here we will write text next attribute text equal to double quote, and here I am going to put simple color, and that is white. WHITE, control S, save. Now I have minimized it. Minimize this one also. Open your browser. I'm gonna refresh this web page. See here, your color has been changed. It's not looking very good. Better we change into some bright color, into red. Okay, now better we use in place of plain color we will use some hexa codes, and a hexa code we use this one. What we do, dark green 006400. Okay, keep in your mind it was 006400. now I have used control S, minimize it. Now let us we refresh it. See here, it is your changing on your text color. So you have understood how we can change text color in your web page. So second thing, we just now learned text color attribute. Okay, how we can change text color in your web page. Now come to third thing, that is what it is. Let us see. Yeah, it is your BG color, background color. Sometime you want to set background as a image. You don't want to change any color of your background. Okay, so we are going to set background as an image. So it is a little technical, so focus here. Students, we always do some mistakes here. So open it. Yeah, in place of color we want to change into picture. So first of all, delete this attribute. We don't want this attribute, and here you type background, BAC ground, background equal to double quote. So now select your photo. Let's open up your folder. Here we have a pictures, sample pictures. We want to paste this one picture. It's looking nice. And okay, right click here, go to property, and it is path. Click here, control and end. We have selected its whole path. Control C for copy, and close it. We don't want it, and keep in your mind PENG. Another thing, what type of file it is. It is JPEG. Okay, keep in your mind. Minimize, control V for paste option, and here slash this way, and it was PENG dot JPG. Control S. So now see what happens in our web page. Refresh. Yeah, see here, we have set background as a image in your web page. I think you have understood. Okay, see here, we have a background as an image. So next, yeah, minimize it, and just now, my dear student, we discussed three things: how we can set a background as a color of your web page, And when we talked about this, we discussed hexadecimal code. Okay. Next thing we learned text. How can we change text color of our web page? Okay. And third thing we learned how we can set image as a background in our web page. Three things we have learned in this tutorial. Okay. So in next tutorial we will focus over these all attributes, right? So see next what is there. That hexadecimal codes. See here for white, I want to show here. Yeah, white, for white we have 6 zeros. No, sorry, for black it is a black, we have a 6 zeros. And check here white, for white we have a 6F. It is very interesting. Okay, so these all are shades that we use to give a background in our web page. Now see what is next. Yes, next is quiz. So we get ready for quiz. So our first question is, which type of element is your body tag? Just guess. I think you have told container tag. You are absolutely right. Very good. Now question number 2, which attribute is used to set background color? Yeah, background color on your web page. And if you say BG color, you are absolutely right. Very good. You are learning, you are improving. Next is, what attribute is used to set background as an image? Background as an image. It is just a technical. You have to copy your path. You have to remember your file name as well as its format. So it was nothing else. It was your background. Very good. Well done. Last we have what attribute is used to set your text color of your web page? And it was your text. It is very easy to remember because text color and text. So you have got 1 2 3 4 out of 4 marks. Good. Yes, very good. You are improving. Okay, now move to next section. Let's see what is there. Wow, there is one surprise. And this time surprise is, who is the founder of HTML? Just guess, student. I give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, you give answer. Yes, Mr. Tim Berners. Mr. Tim Berners is a founder of your website HTML language. And another thing I want to add, he's also founder of World Wide Web. Whatever you see on the internet, whether it is a World Wide Webs or it's an internet concept, it is developed by Mr. Tim Berners. Yeah, Mr. Tim Berners, thank you very much. We are very thankful to you. Okay, student. So just now we learned number of things, body tag and 3 attribute. First one was your background, second one was your text, and third one was your background for image. Okay, once again thank you very much for clicking on this channel and being a part of this tutorial. So in a next tutorial we will meet again. Thank you very much. And visit on Arvind classes and support us.